Hi, my name is Sahal Malik and I am the Regional Sales Manager for Eastern Canada at Petawise Technologies, and I'm very excited to give you a sneak peek at the latest and greatest technology that we're going to be unveiling to you at the Security Canada East show presented by CANASA in Montreal. So you're going to get a chance to experience our new IQ series NVRs, which come with AI-powered search tools such as AccuSearch, AccuTrack, and facial recognition technology, speeding up your search and bringing your search times down to very low. It doesn't stop with our NVRs. We're also going to be showing you our Uniview cameras, which are going to be 24/7 colorful image, first and exclusive in industry with our night view technology using our Uniview large model engine. Uniview has also been an industry game changer, bringing video surveillance from passive to active with its TriGuard 2.0 technology, giving active deterrence to the cameras. We'll have two stands for you to see as well, one with our multi-view series giving you more views with less work, so that's multiple cameras but only one wire, including our dual lens dome, our dual lens thermal camera, our dual lens PTZ, and last but not least our 4-lens multi-sensor varifocal camera, giving you 360 coverage all around. On our OmniView side, we'll also have our 180-degree turret, our 360 dome, and our best-selling this year, which is a 180 dual lens TriGuard 2.0 camera. Now, all of this will be powered by our cloud manageable Reyee equipment. You'll be able to interact with our switches, our routers, our access points, and also, of course, interact with our whole team that's going to be there to welcome you, to show you that we're there to provide you the best service, the best team, the best product, and be your best partner.